How to hide your following list on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the TikTok app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Settings and Privacy. And now here, once you are under the Settings and Privacy, simply tap on the option labeled as Privacy, which can be seen at the top. And now here under the privacy, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as following list. So simply tap on that. And here once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. So here by default it's usually set to everyone. So here just tap on only you, and once you have changed the settings, it will hide your following list on TikTok. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.